Picture this. Your business is thriving, demand is soaring, and you're ready to take it to the next level. But how do you grow without burning out or breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into scaling services versus scaling products. Two powerful strategies to expand your business in upcoming future. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup founder, or an entrepreneur, this 10 to 12-minute journey will break down the differences, benefits, challenges, and real-world insights to help you choose the right path for growth. Let's get started. Defining scaling services and scaling products. Let's start with the basics. Scaling services is about growing a business that delivers expertise or labor, like consulting, coaching, graphic design, or IT support. To scale, you typically hire more people, train them, and streamline processes to serve more clients without sacrificing quality. For example, a small consulting firm might start with one expert but grow by building a team to handle more projects. Scaling products, on the other hand, means increasing the production and distribution of tangible or digital goods, like clothing, electronics, software, or ebooks. Once the product is created, you can sell it to thousands or millions of customers with minimal additional effort. Think of a company launching a mobile app that can be downloaded globally without needing to customize it for each user. In essence, services rely on people and time, while products focus on creation and replication. The business landscape. It's 2025, and the business world is buzzing with opportunity. The global economy is driven by digital transformation, AI, and evolving customer expectations. Service-based businesses, like consulting and freelancing, are in high demand as companies seek specialized expertise. Meanwhile, product-based businesses, especially in tech and e-commerce, are thriving thanks to global connectivity and scalable platforms. Both paths offer massive potential, but scaling them requires different strategies. Services often grow linearly, while products can scale exponentially, tapping into global markets with the right approach. Key differences. Let's take a moment to compare the core differences between scaling services and scaling products. First, look at the nature of work. Services require a high level of personalization. They're labor-intensive and often tailored for each client. Products, on the other hand, are designed to be replicable. Once created, they can be reproduced at scale with minimal variation. Second, we have scalability. Services are limited by the time and capacity of the team delivering them. A consultant or agency can only take on so much work. In contrast, products can scale almost infinitely. Once the system or product is built, the additional cost of serving more customers is very low. Third, let's talk about initial investment. Services usually need very little upfront capital, just your time, knowledge, and expertise. But products typically require a higher initial investment for development, testing, and production before they can be sold. Next, customer interaction. Service businesses thrive on strong, direct relationships. You work closely with your clients and build trust over time. Product-led businesses tend to be more indirect. They focus on marketing, distribution, and user acquisition, rather than close one-to-one relationships. Finally, revenue models. Services usually rely on recurring retainers or project-based fees. They're paid for the work delivered. With products, revenue can come from one-time purchases, subscription models, or licensing. So, in summary, services scale through people and processes, while products scale through systems and repeatability. Advantages of each approach. Both paths have unique strengths. Scaling services. Personalized value. Clients often pay a premium for tailored solutions, like a consultant solving a specific business problem. Low startup costs. You can start with just your expertise, making it accessible for solopreneurs or small teams. Flexibility. Services can be adjusted quickly based on client feedback or market changes. Scaling products. Global reach. Products can be sold worldwide, especially digital ones like apps or online courses. Passive income potential. Once created, products can generate revenue repeatedly without proportional effort. High margins. After initial costs, products can yield significant profits, especially in tech or e-commerce. Challenges and risks. No path is without obstacles. Scaling services. Time constraints. Your growth is limited by the hours you or your team can work, making it hard to scale without hiring. Team management. Hiring and training new staff can be costly and time-consuming, and quality control is critical. Burnout risk. Overcommitting to clients can lead to exhaustion if processes aren't streamlined. Scaling products. High upfront costs. Developing a product, like software or inventory, requires significant investment with no guaranteed return. Market risk. If the product doesn't resonate with customers, you could be left with unsold inventory or wasted development costs. Competition. Product markets, especially digital ones, are crowded, requiring strong marketing to stand out. Strategies for success. How do you scale effectively? Here are some strategies for each path. Scaling services. Standardize offerings. Create service packages with clear pricing and deliverables to streamline operations, like a coaching program with set modules. Leverage technology. Utilize automation tools, such as scheduling software or AI chatbots, to automate repetitive tasks and free up your time. Build a team. Hire and train specialists to handle increased demand while maintaining quality. Focus on retention. Deliver exceptional client experiences to encourage repeat business and referrals. Scaling products. Optimize production. Streamline manufacturing or development processes to reduce costs and increase output. Invest in marketing. Utilize digital channels such as social media and SEO to reach a global audience. Automate distribution. Leverage platforms like Amazon or app stores to simplify sales and delivery. Iterate based on feedback. Continuously improve your product based on user reviews to stay competitive. Emerging trends in the future. For services, AI is transforming delivery, with tools automating tasks like client onboarding or data analysis, allowing businesses to serve more clients efficiently. Productized services, turning services into standardized packages, are also gaining traction, blending the benefits of both models. For products, e-commerce and software as a service are booming, driven by 5G and cloud technology. Subscription models for products like monthly software licenses are creating predictable revenue streams, while global marketplaces make it easier to reach customers worldwide. Real-world examples. Let's look at some success stories. Scaling services. A small consulting firm starts with one expert helping local businesses with marketing. As demand grows, they hire more consultants, create standardized strategy packages, and use project management tools to handle dozens of clients, eventually serving companies nationwide. Scaling products. A developer creates a fitness app with workout plans. After launching, they market it through social media, add subscription features, and scale to millions of users worldwide without needing to customize the app for each customer. Choosing your path. So, which path should you choose? It depends on your skills, resources, and vision. Choose scaling services. If you enjoy working directly with clients and providing tailored solutions, you have expertise to share and prefer starting with minimal investment. You're ready to build systems and teams to handle growth. Choose scaling products. If you're passionate about creating replicable goods, like software or physical items, you have the capital to invest in development and marketing. You want to reach a global market with the potential for passive income. Many businesses blend both approaches. For example, a coaching business might scale by offering group programs, a service, and then launch a digital course to reach more people. The key is to start where you're strongest and adapt as you grow. Scaling services and scaling products both offer incredible opportunities to grow your business in the future. Services let you connect deeply with clients, offering personalized value but requiring careful management to avoid burnout. Products unlock global scalability and passive income but demand upfront investment and strong marketing. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Evaluate your skills, resources, and market demand. If you're starting, services might be a low-risk way to build cash flow, which you can reinvest into product development. If you have a bold product idea, dive in with a clear plan to stand out. Ready to scale? Start by assessing your business model, exploring automation tools, or testing a small product launch. Thanks for watching, and let's make your near future to scale smarter.